All right, continuation here. This is Friday, day 3. Everything is functioning now. I'm taking a pain pill as soon as I can each time, staying on schedule. Taking a laxative, and then the cancer pill. I've got to have a couple bandages removed today. Just the phlegm, I think, is my only real issue right now. As long as I'm neutral, there's no pain whatsoever. Unfortunately, I get the phlegm out, or the phlegm acts up, then I start coughing, and it really hurts. So, other than that, I'm just staying bedridden, walking around a little bit to get my bowels moving, and then going from there. So now it's just a regular routine recovery, and staying in the dark, and just resting as much as possible. I'm not an idle person, so this really is uncomfortable for me, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, we'll continue on and let you know how things progress. So if you ever decide to have it done,